So this is definitely the last take for today. This is the Roman bridge, the old Roman bridge, which dates from the 2nd century after the birth of Jesus Christ. So it's about the same time of the amphitheater. At least the pillars. I'm not sure about the archways, but at least the pillars look Roman. Okay, we're going to cross the bridge. Lots of traffic here. Yeah, it's actually quite a lot of traffic. Okay, so this is the Roman bridge of Trier. Maybe in some parts it would need some work because the sandstone seems to have come off certain parts. Imagine the Romans in the 2nd century built a bridge across this river. Amazing. Yeah, the Moselle. The Moselle River. So that's the way I came from. It's upstream. And that's the way I'm going to go tomorrow, downstream. Okay, so there's something historic on the left hand side and also on the right hand side. Let's see what it says. Roman Bridge, part of UNESCO World Heritage since 1986. Okay. Okay. Roman Bridge. So that's what it used to look like. A lot smaller than today. And here it actually says that soldiers belonging to the 10th US Tank Division, Task Force Richardson, under the command of Lieutenant Colonel Jack Richardson. Unfortunately, he died, this colonel, and at the end of the war, 22nd of April 1945 in Oberlenningen. That's probably Bavaria. They conquered in the early morning hours of the 2nd of March 1945 this bridge. On this day, the Second World War was over in Trier, and the death and destruction the National Socialists had brought upon this town and region ended. Okay, so US crossed this bridge and took command of the city in March 1945. Unfortunately, Mr. Richardson died roughly 1.5 months later, somewhere in Bavaria. I guess Oberlenningen. Sounds Bavarian. Okay, and this little tower is a crane which they used to load and unload ships, and this little tower is where they showed the height of the river. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow it's going to come, and there are some people doing some canoe sport. 3 altogether. Must be quite nice. Not today, maybe when the sun is out and it's warmer. Okay, so see you then. Bye bye.